Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting me. So this is a question from definite integral JEE main. The question is, find the integral from 0 to infinity. Numerator is log x base e and denominator is 4 plus x square. You have to integrate with respect to x. Of course, I have not written. 4 options are given for the solution. Now what we'll do, let x be 4 over t, then its derivative equals to negative 4 over t squared with respect to t, and we have to change the limit when x tends to 0. This implies that t tends to infinity, and when x tends to infinity, this implies that t tends to 0. So the whole thing will be infinity to 0 log 4 over t with base e. Of course, it will be 4 over t square plus 4 and negative 4 over t square dt, and we will simplify now. So again, taking this negativity, I can change the limit, because we know that a to b f of x dx is same as your negative b to a f of x dx. This will be 0 to infinity log 4 by t, and here 4 by t whole square plus 4 whole into t square by 4. So it will simplify, it will be 0 to infinity log 4 over t dt, and the numerator will be, there will be change in the numerator, t square by 4, this will be cancelled, and I will get only t square by 4. T square plus 4. 4 cancel, it will be 16 by t square by 4, it will be t square by 4. So this can be written as 0 to infinity log 4 base e dt by t square plus 4 minus 0 to infinity log t base e dt by t square plus 4. If we'll see the second one, this is nothing but here, if we'll change the limit, it will be 0 to infinity log x dx by x square plus 4. This is same. These two are same. So I can shift this as making twice I. It was the I. This is nothing but the same as I. So twice I equals to 0 to infinity log 4 dt by t square plus 4. Only one integration we have to do. Log 4 I can take outside. 0 to infinity dt by t square plus 4. And we know that this will be tan inverse. So twice I equals to log 4 into half tan inverse t by 2. This is log 4 e into half log, it's not log, tan inverse. This is same we could do here also, because it will give you same answer. So this gives us twice I equals to log 4. This will be half tan inverse infinity pi by 2 minus 0. This will be pi by 4 log 4. Then I equals to log 4 is 2 log 2, so pi by 4, 2 log 2. This is twice I, or I equals to pi by 4 log 2. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.